Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Day after day,
After a half year of being in marinas, we're finally back on anchor in Palmones. Time to get Herman, the water maker, and the Honda generator started up and running.
you know it's a game I hate to lose.
It's not all work. We explore the beach in Palmones. Great to get our feet wet and our toes in the sand.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Getting Herman back in the water.
Yeah,
Try the motor.
all that stuff we haven't done in a long time.
Hook Herman up.
Yeah, a little bit. Not so bad. A little bit.
Sigrita, Herman and Binky, they need some makeup.
Yeah,
You need to come.
You have to come help us. There's an airport close by.
Or Herman, but it's getting sticky in the front. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Oh. Making a hole in this thing. Thank you for Family Built. It was on their dinghy, but they both got on fire. So we get this from them. So we have to make it work for our boat,
For Herman.
for Herman. So we tied the lines onto a line, onto a line. So
Yeah.
I need a hole over this place instead of under there.
Herman gets a bikini top. Started to tear
Yes,
that
sir.
already.
Yeah. Well, it's okay.
Alright.
Then we know where we have to
We
sew
gotta
it
bring
later.
it up some more because the knot's up there, so I pulled it tight.
Here we go. Oops. Yeah, got it. And Herman is back floating. Procedure getting the motor on. Tie Herman to the back. Die zit hem ook flink vast.
Spray some more on it. Feels like it's really gonna break off. Try something else. There we go.
1 hour later.
Gotta do this shit more often. Can't let the outboard motor sit for half a year. Got him.
And they're turning again. Well, that was our beach day.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. We're still not done. Sun's still up.
Yeah, try to get it on the dinghy.
Yeah.
And then we have to start it.
Yeah.
That's next
That's gonna be another fucking problem, I'm sure.
What do you think?
Well, I think I'll put your feet in. We'll find out.
There we go. Pedal just.
Yeah. Turn around and run the motor a little harder.
Okay.
Maybe that'll help it.
Nice, yeah.
Go. Don't try to jump out. There we go. We're good. One more.
First time on the beach.
Ja. Beentjes trekken een beetje. That's our leg.
That's right. Used to walking on the beach again.
Ja. Kleine meisje.
I tried now.
I better have the motor in Brazil.
It's in the water.
Yep.
Cleaning the carburetor.
We're doing a whole service on the outboard motor, not just the carburetor. I'm going to change the oil, change the lower gear, the lower unit grease.
Because it doesn't want to run in idle.
That's for the carburetor, but I might as well service the whole motor at the same time while I'm at it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just took the bottom off the carburetor. And then here you can see all of the shit that's in there. I'll just take it apart and clean all the parts that I can clean.
No.
Cleaning parts of the carburetor, and so using a little pin And I'm going through all these little tiny holes and just checking that they're all clear.
It's on. It's supposed to happen like this yesterday.
Yeah, but now we got our practice back in. We were a little rusty.
The motor was a little bit rusty.
Well, motor also.
Something is not going right. What's going on?
I put the bowl on the carburetor on backwards. I was sure I had it on the right fucking direction. But I don't. I got the bowl on backwards and it's leaking and I can't close it because the screw's on the other fucking side. I gotta take it all out again. Son of a bitch. I was sure I had it on the right. Fuck it. I need to do this all again. Starts pretty easy. Right there. When I go below that, then it cuts up too. Nomine Padre, Filii, et Spiritus Sancti.
First jump of the year.
Yeah, warm is something else. So there's only going to be one way to do this.
Out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, fly.
This one we tied it down good this time, hopefully.
Yeah, we've lost two. Trying to start up the water maker. So I'm just changing the filters and cleaning everything out, and it's like everything, it's a tight spot. And I've always got things that are hitting me. I just need to always take like everything out of the way. Okay.
Start. Close pressure, Paul.
Thank you.
Okay.
Start.
Start. System running.
There you go. This is what I'm doing now is I got the water running out. Let it run for a while. Then I'll test it for the salinity. I tasted it already. It tastes okay. The pressure's up good since we've cleaned it and changed the filters. Running about 6 bar. That's good water.
It's all happening behind the door.
Okay. Tester. 227 parts per million. That's good.
What's the water temperature? You could
20
see?
degrees, that's the bottom one. I guess I can let it go into the tank. So I'll switch this one. And now it's gonna run into the tank.
50, 56, 3, 2, 1, stop.
According to this one, is it about a half a liter? More. Still got some in here. So we got more than a half a liter in a minute. So we could say 30 liters an hour.
Definitely.
Definitely. We got a little bit more, so it's probably really 35 because that's 500 there. And that's just about
540.
Yeah,
535.
definitely 535 milliliters in a minute.
So it's 535 times 60 is 32.1 liters an hour.
I'll go with that.
I'm editing a new film. So fill the generator. Start them up, baby.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Good girl.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I
Inside.
wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
And we turn the power up.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give
Now
me the
we've got
beat, boy, to
97 amps coming in.
I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
1.3 kilowatts. Around 68 amp hours in the minus. That's just to start it up. 89% full.